Hello, my name is Rene Venegas and now I organize all my stones. I had beautiful stones. I had a carnelian, a labradorite from Canada, a turquoise from here from Utah, Arizona, Colorado, and I had the ice, the stone, and the beautiful sodalite. Also, I had another beautiful stone coming from Wyoming. There's the fire opal. And now I start organizing all moonstones that we have here in Utah. It's the mine close on Cedar City. And I have some Jasper and the beautiful emerald and jade, green jade. Most is Jasper here in this area. But let me show you this one, the beautiful tiger eyes from Canada too. It's a very nice special stone. It's my favorite stone. I use here in my ring. The idea is that you choose the stone that you want, and I can teach you how to make rings, bracelets, pendants, earrings, whenever you want. Thank you. I teach Wednesday, 10 to 12. It's only $40, and I have all supplies. Join with me and enjoy how this jewelry make.